This one's for you. If you need it. Good. Look, I watch them as they meet up in the middle. I ain't be sleeping lately, nah, not even a little. I get up out of bed 3 a.m. and I fiddle with the keys, hot pulling at the strings to make a riddle out of melodies. Goes too complex, the wrong text, always had the spine, but lately it's feeling brittle. Cartoons and dark moods and posture. No one pulled the sword from the stone, so I guess I'm hate Arthur. Nights round tables, can't tell the dreams from the fables. Cold silences between the laughter, man.
Late night, raindrops on my window. I can't see any other way. I can't see any other way. Wish I was a superhero. I can't see any other way to get my soul out of this man.
Scream all you want to, ain't nobody hearing that. But soon as you get you a goal, they all be fearing that. Looking at me sideways, petty if I'm near 'em back.